Shree Balaji Tech Services. Complete Generator Load Testing Guide. Complete generator load testing involves proper setup, gradual load application, continuous monitoring, and detailed final analysis to ensure reliable, safe, and efficient performance under real operating conditions. Introduction. Generator load testing ensures your power system is ready to perform reliably under real-world conditions when it matters most. Importance. Generator load testing is important because it detects hidden faults, ensures reliable performance, and prevents unexpected failures during critical operations. Setup. Setup involves safely preparing the generator and load bank by checking connections, ensuring proper grounding, and verifying all systems before testing begins. Load application. Load application involves gradually applying load in stages to the generator to safely simulate real operating conditions and evaluate its performance. Monitoring. Monitoring involves continuously tracking key parameters like voltage, current, frequency, and temperature to ensure stable and safe generator performance during testing. Final analysis. Final analysis involves reviewing all recorded data to evaluate generator performance, identify issues, and ensure reliable operation.